Hey friends, Mike Darenthal, if you're here, it's because you got one of my invites. I met you face to face. I was out knocking on some doors. I'm about ready to go live with an amazing waterfront home, either on your lake or you're in the neighborhood. I can't drop the details out yet. The MLS rules do not allow me to publicly market this house until we're ready to go live, until the day before. I can, however, on a personal level, talk to people about it, and that's what I'm doing here. And the other thing I'm allowed to do is I'm going to do a sneak peek, neighbors only open house. To allow you and people in the neighborhood to come in and see this house first. The reason why, if you've been on my site before, you know I've been selling lakefront homes for about 20 plus years here in Orlando. I love the lifestyle, I love doing it, and usually one of my best sources for buyer leads on a property like this are folks that already live in the neighborhood or folks that already live on that lake. Chances are you know somebody that's been itching to get on the water, they've been out there, they've experienced it, they say, hey, if you ever hear of something that hit the market, let me know, this is it. So that's what we're doing. So I'm targeting Saturday, April 6th. More details to follow. You've got this link. You've been on this page. It's not available anywhere else in the public unless you got one of those invites. So keep an eye on this, or if you want to drop me a text or a phone call, I'm happy to reach back out to you when I do have the details. But I'm targeting Saturday, April 6th. The one hint I can give you is we've got amazing sunrises at this property. That's all I can say at this point, but it's an amazing home. I'm excited. Okay, thank you for visiting the site. Hope to see you on Saturday. Bye.